Hey guys. Welcome to another video. So after the huge success of the Galaxy S8 with game-changing design, we can imagine how will it going looks like the Galaxy S9. Some rumors suggest the Samsung has already started designing on the Galaxy S9. It's fascinating that more people are talking about the Galaxy S9, rather than the Galaxy Note 8 right now. It's the usual situation of loving the S8 and doubting what can they possibly do better? Some say that the iPhone 8 may serve as their inspiration. But we already have conceptualized the next Galaxy flagship with the design language of the S8 by TechConfiguration. Also, it's much more superior version with slimmer bezels, better screen-to-body ratio and screen-integrated fingerprint scanner. Talking about the specification, the Samsung Galaxy S9, the screen is a 5.8-inch 4K AMOLED Infinity display, with the same aspect ratio as the 18.5:9 aspect ratio, and that's 95% screen-to-body ratio. Quite exciting, right? The fingerprint scanner has been relocated from the uncomfortable position of the S8, being integrated within the display. It will be power-driven by Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset with 6 or 8 GB of RAM. The camera will feature a 12-megapixel dual camera on back, while the front camera is expected to 8-megapixel camera. The design will be metal glass with IP68 water and dust resistant. There's also wireless fast charging and the same virtual buttons at the bottom part of the screen. Samsung Galaxy S9 has a display that goes all the way to the bottom, and the top forehead of the device has been extremely cut, with a very small selfie shooter and call speaker. Like a truly infinity display. I really hope you guys will find this video useful. So, will the new iPhone 8 beat the Galaxy S8? Let me know in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe for the latest tech news. So, will the new iPhone 8 beat the Galaxy S8? Let me know in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe for the latest tech news. See you in the next one.